I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Welcome to the royalyorkgrand here in Etobicoke. The buildings recently received renovations in the common areas and the hallways to update the palette and the look of the building. It's quite modern inside. That includes the hallway of this unit, which is just steps from the elevator, far enough away that it's quiet, close enough that it's convenient. Come on in, we'll have a look at some of the features of this incredible unit at 1403 Royal York, number 1202. This is an exceptional unit with a split floor plan. It also features a den that can be used as a dining area. It's an open concept kitchen with an oversized balcony. One of the nice features of this unit is the flooring's been upgraded throughout. It complements the open concept design. Full living room and dining room has a view for days from the balcony. It's a south view over the water. In addition, the paint has all been refreshed to a modern palette as well. If you'd like some luxury in your primary suite, you've come to the right place. Unit 1202 features incredible views, again from the oversized balcony, as well as his and hers, oversized double mirrored closets, and a gorgeous ensuite that features a soaker tub and separate shower. I had mentioned earlier about the split plan design of this unit. Why is that important? Split plan means the primary suite's on one side, the living area is in the middle, and then you have the second bedroom and den on the other side of the unit. When you have a guest, there's privacy. They have their own bedroom, a full bathroom with tub and shower, and there's even the laundry closet here with the machines as well. So if you have a visitor, it's very convenient for them to stay over and you're not interrupting each other. Here's a part of videos that don't often get shown for condos. The parking here at 1403 royalyorkgrand number 1202 is wide open. You're not concerned about opening your door and hitting a wall or poor visibility when you exit your space. You can easily get in and out of your space, get your groceries out of the back of the car, and you're not concerned about hitting anything or visibility. It's a bonus feature of this unit. Along with parking and a locker, one of the best features of this unit is the oversized balcony. This is the first level in the building that features a wide balcony. In addition to that, there's enough room here for a table and chairs. Not to mention views for kilometers of Lake Ontario, the city skyline, and more, treetops everywhere. So if you like your outdoor space, you can have some shrubs, you can have some plants, and enjoy the outdoors. I'm Mattei, matteirealty.ca. Thank you for taking this tour of 1403 Royal York, 1202 with us.